right, today was the day, man. Today was the first day ever that spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved and actually trade in volume over the market, and it did not disappoint. But before we get into numbers, let's first talk about Vanguard. Vanguard is considered one of the top 3 indexes. They control 7.7 trillion in assets. Now, what they did today, they banned their clients from being able to purchase spot Bitcoin ETFs. And a lot of people have their 401k plans and their money stuck with Vanguard. So you guys might want to give them a call and figure out why they didn't allow you to do what you want to do with your own funds. That's a red flag. Hopefully Vanguard changes their outlook on crypto and Bitcoin and get rid of the ban for their clients to be able to purchase on the market. But to get back to the numbers today, they did not disappoint. Today, Bitcoin ETFs broke a record, 4.6 billion in trading volume in the first day of the ETF. Never been done. Historical day for crypto. Shout out to all the holders. Shout out to everybody who's been investing in crypto and who is enjoying this moment right now, because it's a lot of money that's about to flow into it. And the opportunity and the window to invest in crypto is about to close. You have Kathy Wood of ARK Investments. She's making her bets for 2030 already. And she's saying at the base, at the low end, all right? And she's also one who's already got approval for the ETF as well, right? She had a big day as well with her company at ARK Investments. She said on the low end, at the base, Bitcoin would be 600,000 by the year 2030. All right. She said at best, it'd be 1.5 million. Right. So it's just telling you where this is going to go, man. Like the first day he did 4.6 billion, broke records in ETF history. And now you have Kathy from ARK Investments still holding to her guns, saying Bitcoin next 5 to 6 years is going to be worth 600,000 at the base and 1.5 at the highest. So it's just something to look forward to in crypto, man. So what I'm telling you guys right now, man, the window of opportunity is closing, right? With this happening, with Bitcoin ETFs being approval, they're letting retailers come into this space. That didn't happen before. Like you had regular average people investing in crypto, into their own wallets or using Coinbase or what have you. Now you have these huge financial institutions investing in crypto. And money is already starting to pour into this space in the first day. There's no telling where we'll be at next week, right? So people better do their homework and invest now and look into this thing, right? You have commercials coming out with Grayscale talking about their ETFs. Now they're going to really pump and talk about Bitcoin. They couldn't do that at first. So now the word is about to get out. Everybody's about to talk about Bitcoin because it is the #1 performing asset in the world. So it's really nothing to really talk about. So what we have to do is understand what this means. Basically what an ETF is a paper version of the asset. Yes, even though these financial institutions are selling a paper version, we have access to have the real version. And that's what I really stress still. Even though they have the paper version available, if you have a 401k and you have money that you can invest with these financial institutions to do so, that's fine. But I think, and I'm pretty sure Satoshi Nakamoto, the one who created Bitcoin, would say, still invest in it on your own. And the best way to do that is open up a Coinbase account, right? I'll show you that in another video. But what I want to stress today is the numbers, man. Numbers don't lie. No, sometimes they do. But this is still a huge day, man.
Find in our big ideas, so that's at ark-invest.com, the building blocks for our price forecast. And our base case is in the $600,000 range. Our bull case, and we think the probability of the bull case has increased with this SEC approval. This is a green light. Our bull case is $1.5 million by 2030. You can see the building blocks. You can see how conservative we are in terms of those building blocks. This is a big idea. It is the first global, decentralized, digital, rules-based, critical there, rules-based monetary system in history. It